Hi, my name is Decoder, and this is my Steganography Encoder slash Decoder web application. My program allows users to hide secret text messages inside PNG images and later extract those messages back out. I built this using Python, PIL, and Drafter. So basically, this would be the main page. It has the title on top, which is Steganography Encoder slash Decoder. And then you'd have three buttons, which is encode message, decode message, and view history. So for my website, I had the state data class, and this data class had four fields. Firstly, it would be the image, which is the original uploaded image by the user. And then you'd have message, which is the secret text typed by the user or decoded from the image. And then thirdly, you'd have the encoded image, which is the image that contains the hidden text. And then lastly is the history, which is a list that stores what the user has encoded or decoded so far. You can think of it as like a YouTube history, which is everything you have done stored in one place. So I'll show you right now a demonstration of how my website actually works. So first of all, what you would like to do, if you're just starting the web application, you want to, okay, let me encode the message. Let me try it. I'll show you a demonstration and explain it as I go through how it actually works. So here I would upload a PNG sample. Let's, for example, upload, it has to be PNG. If it's not a PNG, it won't work. Let me, for example, upload victory PNG. And then I type in my secret message right here. Let's say hello world. And then click encode. If I clicked on encode, the program would convert the message into binary and then hides it in the green channel pixel by pixel. And then it shows me a new encoded image I can download. If I click back, it just sends me back to home or the main page. For this time, I'm just going to click on encode, and then I'll be directed to this page. At the top, you have that message successfully encoded. It shows you the image, and then the encoded message, which in this case is hello world, and then you're greeted by three buttons at the bottom. Firstly, it would be download encoded image, which is basically downloading the image with the secret message into your computer. And secondly, you would have the second button is encode another, which is basically you have the option to go back to the previous page and encode another message if you would like. You could use the same original image or another PNG image, up to you. And there's back to home, which is basically directing to the main page, the first page I showed at the beginning. For this time, I'm just going to download the encoded image. And if you're on Google Chrome, it shows it right up here. And if you would like, you could manually just get it out from the file. Like if you're on Mac Finder, if you're on Windows, files. So after you've done that, you probably want to decode the message. So simply just click back to home, click on decode message, and then now you could upload that encoded image, and then the program scans the green channel, reads the hidden bits, reconstructs the characters, and displays the secret message. I could simply just drag it from here or choose file. I'll show you. You could choose file and then click on the downloaded image. But for this case, I'm just going to drag as it's way simpler. So I attached it, and then I just simply press on decode if I want to decode, back if you want to go back to the main page. For this time, I'm just going to decode. Press on decode. It shows me the image and the decoded message. And then you're probably going to ask me, all right, what if I upload an image that doesn't have a secret message? I'll show you what you get. So go back to home, or you could click on decode another, something I didn't do this time. I'll click on decode message. For example, this original picture PNG, the original picture that did not have the secret message. Simply open it, click on decode. Oh, the decoded message is no hidden message was found in this image, which shows you that there was no hidden message. So this program cannot be fooled. So as long as you have the secret message is going to display. If you don't, this is the response you're going to get. So finally, we have the history page, which is basically the exact history of what you've encoded, what was decoded, and it basically logs all your previous actions, encoding, decoding steps, so a user can track everything he has done. Hey, so while I was editing this video, I added a new code or a new feature, which is clear history. So now you have the option to clear the history to act like nothing ever happened. So you simply just click on clear history, and history is cleared. Even if you go back to home and then view history, it's gone. Really, that's my conclusion. And that's my Steganography encoder and Decoder web application. It's simple and a secure way to hide text and images using Python and Drafter and PIL. And thank you for watching.